Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to read a research paper efficiently. Reading a research paper efficiently can be challenging but rewarding. Here's a 15 step-by-step guide to help you read a research paper efficiently. Number 1. Start with the abstract. Begin by reading the abstract to get an overview of the paper's purpose, method, and key findings. This will help you decide if the paper is relevant to your interests. Number 2. Skim the introduction and conclusion. Read the introduction to understand the background and context of the research. Then, skim through the conclusion to see the main results and the author's interpretation. Number 3. Identify the research question or objective. Look for the research question or objective that the paper aims to address. Understanding this will give you a clear direction while reading the rest of the paper. Number 4. Read the headings and subheadings. Go through the main headings and subheadings to get an idea of the paper's structure and flow. Number 5. Examine figures and tables. Pay attention to graphs, charts, and tables. They often contain critical information and can help you understand the results more effectively. Number 6. Read the methodology. Understand the research methods used in the study. Assess if the methodology is appropriate for answering the research question. Number 7. Evaluate the results. Analyze the results presented in the paper. Look for any patterns, trends, or significant findings. Number 8. Consider the discussion and interpretation. Read the discussion section to see how the author interprets the results and their implications. Assess whether their conclusions are well supported by the data. Number 9. Assess the strengths and weaknesses. Critically evaluate the paper's strengths and weaknesses. Consider factors like the sample size, data collection, statistical analysis, and potential biases. Number 10. Review citations and references. Check the references cited by the paper to ensure that the claims are supported by credible sources. Look up for key references to deepen your understanding. Number 11. Take notes. While reading, jot down notes on key points, interesting findings, questions, and potential ideas for future research. Number 12. Engage in discussions. Discuss the paper with colleagues, classmates, or online communities. Engaging in discussion can help solidify your understanding and provide different perspectives. Number 13. Read related work. If the paper is relevant to your research interests, explore related work by the same authors or other researchers to gain a broader understanding of the topic. Number 14. Practice regularly. Reading research papers effectively is a skill that improves with practice. Make a habit of reading papers regularly to refine your abilities. Number 15. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest research in your field. Subscribe to journals, research databases, and academic websites to access new papers and stay informed. Thank you for watching.